Good morning, wonder children. In the previous class, we have learning about the ideas of development. So, by that lesson, the first topic I will explain you about different developmental goals of different persons, different category of persons. In the previous topic, you have come to know about different category of persons, such as agriculture laborers have their own desires. At the same time, the prosperous farmers have their own desires. The urban unemployed youth, what they have desired, and Adivasis, those who are doing in mining works, what they are expected, and the fishing community people, those who are living in seashore areas, what they have their desires and what are their developmental goals. So the women who are living in urban family, rich urban family, what she has her desire. So about the different people can have different developmental goals. That is the first topic, children. The first topic is the different developmental goals of different category of persons. So now we are learning about the second topic. We are coming to second topic, that is whose development. Whose development. In the previous class also I was told you about the maybe the development for the person may not be the development for others. Sometimes it may be harmful to others. So by this topic we have learned about the maybe the development for one person may not be the development for others, how this is happening. So by this lesson we have clearly understand, children. So whose development, whose development. So the conflict rises between the government and Kundankulam villagers. In between the Kundankulam villagers and central government, the conflict was rises. Why the conflict was rises in between the Kundankulam villagers and central government? Actually, the central government want to construct a power project, want to construct a nuclear power project in Kundankulam seashore place. So, but at the same time, the local people opposed the project. They protest on the grounds of safety, security, and livelihood. So, why? Because why they protested? So, scientists and scientists, environmentalists, and socialists also gave support to local people and opposed the government decision. Why these people were opposed this nuclear power project? So this is the development program of the government. So government want to construct a nuclear power project in Kundankulam in Tamil Nadu to fulfill the desires, to fulfill the requirements of the power requirements of the people. See, so this is the development program. But at the same time, a section of the people, those who are living fishing community people at the seashore in Tamil Nadu, they opposed this project on the grounds of safety, security, and the livelihood. So the environmentalists and scientists also they gave support because of, even though in Japan the accidents taken place in nuclear plants, so that is the reason. So they feared about on the grounds of security and safety. So even though in spite of all these uh, conflicts, so however under these circumstances the government must continue this project and they promised local people to take all the measures it will take. So this is about the one example. Clearly you have understand that maybe the development of the section of the people may not be the development for others. So next I will explain you another example, that is the MNC company. So the MNC company, it is petroleum and metal MNC company. Petroleum, metal, MNC, one of the petroleum metal MNC company. So the MNC company wants to dump 500 tons of toxic waste at Abidjan city in Ivory Coast. So that is the development program. That is the one of the activity of MNC company. MNC company want to dump the 500 tons waste, liquid toxic waste at Abidjan city in Ivory Coast. So finally, the MNC company dumped the toxic waste at Abidjan city in Ivory Coast with the help of the other local company. So unfortunately, the air was polluted after the dump. The air was polluted, and the poisonous air was spreaded around the city. The 7 people were died, and 20 people were hospitalized, and more than 26,000 people found symptoms of poisoning. So this has happened in the at Abidjan city in Ivory Coast. So by this example, you have clearly understand that maybe the development for a person may not be the development for others. It may be the harmful to others also. So by these two examples come under this topic about the huge development. Next we are going to the another topic, that is income and other goals. So income is very important for each individual and family. So without income, anyone can't able to fulfill their requirements. So income is most important. So in the first topic you have learned that different people are doing different developmental activities. So for example, farmers, what farmers they are doing? Farmers are expected. Farmers are want the minimum support price for their crops. So the agricultural laborers, they want more wages. They want high wages for their work. So ultimately, finally, all the people doing different activities for the money. So they want more money for their income. So can the money has fulfilled all the desires of the people? Can the money was fulfill all the requirements of the people? No. Some other the things also there. There are some other developmental goals or things, and some other requirements also there. Those are very essential for the people. So for example, the material things. Material things means by the income we have purchased and buy all the things. So we have purchased our the everything. So we have purchased. We can build house. We can constructed the company. We can fulfill everything by the money. So at the same, that is the one way. That is the one way. In other ways, we require some other things also. Those are called as non-material things. Non-material things such as the freedom, security, respect from others, and equal treatment. So these are very essential for each individual and family in the society. So the quality of the person depended on the safety and secure freedom and also the quality of the person depended on equal treatment in the society and also respect from others. So these are the things are very essential. Sometimes these things are more important compared to income. So income is not only the final goal. Income is not only fulfill all the requirements of the people. The other side, some other things also essential. So I will tell you another example, children. That is, if you got a job in far off places, if you got a job in far off place, means in abroad and other places, so they offered more money. So they offered more money to that job. So can you accept the job? Can you accept that job? Yes, we accept the job based on safety and security. We are thinking other things also. Not only we are thinking about the money, at the same time we need money, at the same time we are thinking about safety and security. So the other things. So if we are thinking what are the other things we are thinking, what are the requirements, about the requirements we are thinking means the working conditions, how is the working conditions at that place, that is important. Working conditions and the job security, we are thinking about the job security, is there job security or not, and also family facilities such as the health facility and the hospital facilities, education facility are there or not. We are thinking about the family facilities. At the same time we are thinking about the job security and working conditions, working atmosphere. How is the working atmosphere? Working atmosphere is very essential. If we have good working atmosphere, then we can able to do work easily. So working conditions is very essential for any employee. So working conditions and opportunity to learn. If we are doing any work, so that work will helpful to us, means we can do the work very happily. So opportunity to learn and job security, freedom and family facilities. These things are very important behalf of the income. One way income is essential. So with the income we have need some other things also. So those things are very important for us. So some other point is also there. This is the now present days or the modern world, the people are looking into the mixed goals. So women are engaging into different fields. And they are doing jobs. So if the women were doing jobs, that is the giving freedom to women, and she get respect within the family and outside the society. So the mixed goals, they are looking at the mixed goals. So that is the involvement of the women in the economic activities. So if the woman was earned money, the economically she become free, and also she can take household decisions. She can also take household decisions, and also the country development was dependent on women involvement in the economy. So for example, in India half of the population is women. If women are not involved in economic activities, how country will become developed? So the development was not possible. So the development was possible by the involvement of women. So women involvement in different fields is also very essential. By that, so the society also give important for women and provide the social security to the women is very essential. So these all the points are come under this topic. So children, now I will tell you some important pointing regarding this lesson. So at the time I was told you about the Kondanukulam. So Kondanukulam, and Kondanukulam is located in Tirunelveli district. Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu state. Okay, Kondanukulam is the seashore village. It is located at Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu state. We have to find out those areas. Okay, now you have find out these areas. This is Kanyakumari. I was told you before. This is Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, near the Kanyakumari, we have found Kundanakulam. This is Kundanakulam is there near the Kanyakumari. Okay, so the near the Kundanakulam is Tirunelveli district. Tirunelveli district. This is Tirunelveli district, and this is the Tamil Nadu state. The borders I was drawn already. This is the Tamil Nadu state. Down you come to down. In another example, I was explained to you about the Abidjan city. Abidjan city is the coastal city in Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast is one of the country in Africa. This entire the region is Africa. Within the Africa, Ivory Coast is one of the country, and this is Abidjan city. So, okay, children, can you understand? Okay, very good. So, I hope you got my points. All you got my points. So, we have completed these three topics. So, ideas of development. The first topic is developmental goals of the different category of persons. Developmental goals of different category of persons is the first topic. Second topic is whose development. Second topic is whose development. Okay, children. The third topic is income and other goals. Third topic is income and other goals. Okay. So I hope you got my points. Children, please subscribe my channel and click like button and share it to your friends. Okay. Thank you very much.